honorable mayors, the vice mayors of the different towns of Antique, to our friends and partners from the Department of Education. So we give them a warm round of applause. Here, our OAC Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Nicreo. To the members of the media, national media, regional media, local media, our family from the University of Antique, friends, sa kawayan kahapon ka natin na. The PDP, or the Philippine Development Plan for 2023, for 2028 of President Marcos, aims for deep economic and social transformation to incorporate job creation and accelerate poverty reduction by steering the economy back on high growth path. Basic to its achievement is the enhanced connectivity, both physical and virtual connectivity. Servicification or enhanced delivery of services among and for our people in the local government units could be achieved if we are connected online. In the education sector, both in the basic education and higher education, the COVID pandemic has made us realize that our traditional way of doing instruction, the residential classes, is easily susceptible to disruption. Alternate modes are necessary. Thus, online modalities were established. What we are now returning to face-to-face classes, blended learning, particularly in the University of Antique, will be here to stay. We will continue our learning management system. There are classes which will still effectively be taught in the non-residential matters. We need connectivity. I am very much happy that since last year, the DICT has started the Broadband and Masa project in few selected parts of the country. Today, however, we will see the biggest rolling out of the Broadband and Masa project, and it is happening in our very own province of Antique. And why not? Our greatest supporter and staunch advocate of interconnectivity, none other than the principal author of the DICT law, Senator Loren, with his brother. Kasi bago naman kami nagkakilala ni Kong AA, napag-usapan na namin ang connectivity in barangays, in towns, in schools. Kong, ito na yun. Maraming salamat. And so, to Secretary Boy, to Team DICT, you just let know how happy and honored we are today. Thank you for making this possible for all of us. To you who have come, you are witness to history. Duruin salamat sa pag-agom. As we said in Antique, kruhay, mabuhay po tayo lahat.